In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund Stripe account. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your regular credentials. Make sure you're using a secure device and network, and confirm you're on Stripe's official site. Once you're logged in, take a moment to orient yourself with the layout so you can move confidently to the next steps. Next, head to the Balances area of the dashboard. This is usually found in the main menu under a section labeled Balance or Balances. The Balances view shows the different pools of money associated with your account, so this is where you'll manage any top-ups. When you're looking at the Balances screen, look for the Add to Balance button. Clicking that begins the top-up workflow. Pay attention to any on-screen prompts or tooltips Stripe provides. They're helpful for clarifying options and requirements specific to your account. You'll then be asked to select which balance you want to fund. Stripe often separates balances into categories like payments balance, storage balance, and a balance reserved for future refunds or disputes. Pick the balance that matches the purpose of the funds you're adding. For example, use payments balance if you want available funds to cover payouts or processing activity. After choosing the balance, select the funding source you prefer. Typically, you'll see any bank accounts you've already linked, such as a checking or savings account, and possibly other eligible payment methods depending on your region. Make sure the bank account you select is verified and has sufficient funds to cover the transfer. Enter the amount you want to add to the selected balance. Double-check the currency and amount before proceeding so you don't accidentally top up with the wrong value. Stripe will display the currency and often any estimated processing timeframe. Finally, review all details carefully and confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. The dashboard should provide a confirmation that the top-up has been scheduled or completed. Keep an eye on the Balances screen and your linked bank account to verify that the transfer posts as expected. A couple of quick tips. Verify your linked bank account ahead of time to avoid delays. And be aware that transfers may take a few business days depending on your bank and region. If anything looks off, consult Stripe's support documentation or reach out through your Stripe dashboard for help. This completes the process for funding your Stripe account.